Uminti rong ba kajala Conrad ki sangma mentaka sngi kata kalai terik unai lar ula Plie pajba ya Ophis Treikam Jong State Education Commission kabadon haga building Jong Board of School Education lanika embos haluwa la shumia haga jingdon ringka Jong Menteri Ketanat Kapuli Puti urakam e sangma bakir khot Jong Commission Habai jikran akan sngi u Conrad lo ong baga sarkar kala shimi karai ban thau daga Education Commission banwan ra ega jingkal la haga Ketanat Kapuli Puti haga jilla Kaniga Commission kan plat lenti bakanya rap ya sarkar jilla ban pintma ya ki rukom Treikam haga tenat bat ban pintikna bagi kena samla kinyo ya kababiang tam. Haba ong baga tenat kapuli kaputi ya jilla gla hiar arsut bagi kendo shibun ki ding pinkiang ki snam len u Conrad la sos kem bakaniga Commission kabaktin thob ki real star ki bapaka Jong ka jilla kanwan ra ya ka jingla bat ki put ki sap ban job ya kini ki jing e baro. Uminti rang ba ulai dan benta lang ruah ke jingya lang ke beningkong Jong Commission ban ai bot ya lor komno ban benta mai ke rukom Treikam hakatenat bat ru ban bo bet bo renti yaki mat Treikam Jong kecela.
As you're aware that the cabinet had decided for the formation of the Education Commission, and the main purpose was really to look into the entire overall restructuring and reformation of the education sector as a whole. And there are many challenges and there are many stakeholders involved in it. And hence a commission would be able to do justice by being able to get into the nitty-gritties of the challenges that are faced in the education sector and be able to take concerns of all the stakeholders and come out with positive suggestions, practical suggestions, balanced suggestions on how we could really do a phase-wise manner or transition-based manner of transformation of the education sector. So that's really what the purpose is, and the commission has been formed, and I'm very happy that today the first meeting of the commission was formally held and was inaugurated in one way, and just after the inaugural meeting they will be sitting for the first official meeting, and I'm sure that with the kind of leadership that is there in the commission, the kind of members that are there who have got huge experience and knowledge about the education sector, I'm sure that we'll be able to come out with positive suggestions, and hopefully we'll be able to see, as I said, a transition into a much more healthier and stronger education sector in our state.
What is the immediate task and task to them, sir?
So there are many areas. There are areas of ensuring overall quality of education improves. The issues concerning teachers are there. The issues concerning the rationalization of teachers and schools. Then obviously looking at the quality factor, the overall aspects of how technology can be implemented. And so it's a very wide scope of reference, and therefore it incorporates almost every aspect of